Surgery has evolved from large incisions to laparoscopic precision, and now scarless surgery through advanced endoscopy and nodes. To stay at the forefront, every surgeon must master the tools of tomorrow. Today, endoscopy is no longer just diagnostic, it's therapeutic, and surgeons must lead the way. The Association of Surgeons of India proudly presents the Surgeons Training in Endoscopy Program (STEP), a first-of-its-kind initiative, a comprehensive journey from online expert-led lectures to hands-on training at state-of-the-art simulator-based training center and live sessions at centers of excellence across India. Join the movement toward advanced, patient-centered care. Master endoscopy. Lead the future. Join the leaders. Join the Association of Surgeons of India.